Welcome to Kirk School here Auto, and today we're working on this Mercedes-Benz. What we're doing is changing the compressor. This is the new compressor that we will put on. We actually take out the receiver dryer filter, and the reason to change the compressor and the dryer is because the system is flat. The system should be clear, have the colors of pure water, and if you look at here, we realize that the system is very black, look like old engine oil, and that is not good. So we have to flush the whole system before we put on the new compressor and the receiver dryer. Taking out the compressor now. And this is the old compressor. If you look inside of it, turn on the light, you realize there's a lot of muck in the system. The oil should be clear, and as you see, the oil is very dirty. So this normally happens when the compressor damage. The difference. So this is the old oil has to take out of the compressor, and this is how the oil is supposed to look. The oil is supposed to clear. What we are doing now is flushing out the system. And she just filling up the bucket with liquid to clean the line. Teamwork, filling up all the lines. Okay, that's all. The system is very black. The liquid should come out clear as how we put it inside the system. I'm going to remove the buckle now. I'm just going to test it on the ground. So the system clean now finally. And we're just gonna fit up back. Yeah, it's clear now. Finally we get the system clear. Oh, we're going to install the compressor right now. The new one. Yeah, that's it. Just gonna clean off the firewall here with some soap water. And we also replaced the dryer already, so just to finish tying up the compressor down there, and we're ready to pressurize, and if everything is okay, to vacuum the system now and regas it. Compressor on. This is the gas that we're going to use. This is a more purified gas that we use in the BMW and the Benz German system. AC is running good now. We're gonna put on the next pan now. There is the next one. Checking on the settings here, make sure that everything in the right position. Yeah. AC is blowing cold. As I said, teamwork make the dream work. We feel so happy about this project. This car finishing one day it take us. Everything fit up back properly. You would not even know that we was working on the system. That was an extraordinary work. Guys, share, comment, like, share with a friend. A friend might need a hair condition to fix. Just check us out. 77 Walton Park, right in front of St. Jude School. This is the front of the garage. So we're right on the main.